Hey guys, Scott here. Today I'm going to do a quick review of the DEWALT 20V battery chargers. So let me jump into what I really like about these. Number one, the length of the cord. It has a nice long cord, which is really helpful. You know, when you have the shorter cords, you have a lot of things plugged in, run into challenges. I'm going to plug this in quickly here. That way you can see right here that it's set up and ready to go. I also brought one of the batteries. And just like the batteries, it is a small compact charger. You know, DEWALT is building these to be high power, very sturdy, very durable, but yet lightweight. Everything's getting smaller, which is great when you have to be carrying these tools or using them on a regular basis. And you simply plug this in right here, and as you can see right there, it is charging, and then it'll also let me know. There's just 3 different things I have to keep track of right here. Pack charging, it's charged, or a hot or cold delay. From here, I take this off and put a new one on, and we are ready to go. Overall, really happy with these. It charges the lithium ion battery really quickly. And for me, the thing I like the fact is, you know, 2 of the biggest things, 20 volts, so I get more power, however, getting more compact. I really like that.